Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Instagram map. Open your Instagram app and then tap on the message icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. If you see a map option here, then you can turn it directly off from here. But if you do not see any map icon, then head back to your home page and then tap on your profile. Tap on the menu which is on the top right corner of your screen and then scroll down and tap on device and permissions. Here you can see the permissions that has been allowed to Instagram. Tap on location services and then tap on update device settings. From here your settings app will open. Tap on permissions, tap on location and then tap on don't allow. If you do this, Instagram won't be able to access your location. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.